We are standing in front of Wallaman Falls, the tallest waterfall in Australia. We left our camp at Burrum.
Yeah, so we're officially off the dirt for most of the rest of the trip, I think. Or until Fraser Island, yeah. Tyres are aired up, hubs are unlocked. We're cruising. Thanks, buddy. Do you pick him up?
I think you can by the shell.
Boy.
I don't think he likes scratches, look, he's got a shell on.
That's awesome. Glad we didn't run him over.
We dumped our rubbish in Laura because now that we don't have a bin bag, it's a bit difficult to carry any rubbish in the car. We'll probably need to get another one in Cairns, where we're headed now. We've got some whitewater rafting booked for this afternoon, which is exciting, should be really fun. After that, we will head on to Wallaman Falls tomorrow, the tallest waterfall in Australia.
Henry Ross Lookout.
Have we driven this road before?
I don't know, man, they all kind of blend the same, don't they? This is another awesome road through the rainforesty mountains. With literally clouds, like if you look out to the side, it's clouds.
We've arrived at the Lake Placid Tourist Park, so we're meeting again to the whitewater rafting on the Burrum River.
I'm going down the Burrum River in a small raft, I found out.
I'm super excited.
You're almost spinning the boat on the spot. You want to just give me a little bit less power? Keep it going. Keep it going. And drop. Holding on, guys. Pretty exciting, eh? It's just one after the other after the other. Bouncing. And holding on, team. Stop there for me. Big high five up in the air. That is the hardest rafting zone. Alright guys, this is our personal swimming pool. Who's hot and sweaty after doing that little workout? Yeah. Yeah? Anyone keen for a swim? Alright, do you want me to take photos of you?
Are you enjoying yourself after all?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
That was awesome.
And the coolest thing about it was the whole river is like artificial.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a hydro power station, and in the afternoon when everyone turns on their lights they let out a certain amount of water, and that water is the rapids. That's why it's flowing so fast down it, which is really cool. Now at the moment we're on a pretty tight schedule. We want to be in Fraser Island in 3 days and we're currently in Cairns, and if you look on a map that's a long way. Spent the morning running errands, getting everything together, picked up some new shocks for the car, and now we're off to the tallest waterfall in Australia, Wallaman Falls. What a crazy road to be doing in the middle of the night. It's going to look amazing tomorrow morning though.
We are standing in front of Wallaman Falls, the tallest waterfall in Australia and the 21st tallest in the world.
So big, 269 meters, which is crazy. It's just like a sea of mist at the bottom, and apparently it only falls into a 20-meter deep hole, which is insane.
We're on our way to Mackay to see my uncle who lives there. And he's going to take us to some camping spot.
A secret spot.
A secret spot.
A secret spot.
Where he said he's never not seen a platypus when he's gone there.
So we probably won't see one and we'll be deathly disappointed.
Hopefully he can help us fit the shock absorbers and stuff.
To get them in. Build up.
So these bits of rubber wear out and make much difference? Or
you'll know where they wear out because you hear it, you get a hell of a shock. You go clang, 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 clang as you're driving.
Something's rattling, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's in.
Sweet. Out of the way, buddy.
Nuts. You're just looking for that cat, aren't you? Yeah, I know you.
Pete's actually building his own bus to tour in. He's currently got it all completely gutted, welding the chassis and the floor back together. It's going to fit some pretty decent sized fuel tanks, a couple of water tanks, have a nice bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, fully self-sufficient, awesome electrical system, solar panels, the whole nine. Really is the dream.
Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it, where'd it go?
We are about an hour and a half east of Mackay. Classic, away from the coast. We're about an hour and a half west of Mackay. Up in the highlands at this little lake, spotting platypuses. Platypi.
Just looks like a water rat. It's so fast though. Is it gone? I think it went. They don't stay on top of the water for long.
No, they're up and down.
Apparently they catch yabbies underwater and come up to the top and eat them while lying on their back.
They eat like kings every day. But no, we just had a pie from Pinnacle, the Pinnacle pub, on the way out here. Apparently best pies in the region and it's awesome.
This one, right under the bushy thing.
Oh yeah, I see it. So hard to get on camera though.
Just got to see echidnas now. We've seen almost everything. So after that awesome couple days in Mackay, we've made it to Bundaberg. About a 6-hour drive. Not too bad though. Much better than the first part of the Bruce we were on. Like the actual road itself is really good. It's just the traffic. You know, it's so busy. You have to concentrate a lot more than when you're just, you know, doing 1,000 Ks in WA. But the first stop is Bundaberg Rum Distillery, of course, because I really like their ginger beer, while Jess drinks some of their rum. But I don't like to torture myself, so I'll stick to the ginger beer. Yeah, Bundaberg Rum Distillery.
Unfortunately, you can't do tastings unless you've booked a tour, which was a bit disappointing. But we grabbed some takeaway and now we're on our way to camp. It's a bit of a 4-wheel drive track in.
Oh, so it's a road.
Well, it's called a 4-wheel drive track, but yeah, it's just got a bit of soft sand on it, I think.
And it's a bit wet.
Camp is spectacular.
To say the least, man. Like, turn around. Look at this. Look at what's behind us. We're under beautiful she oak trees with the ocean 10 meters that way, and it just stretches for miles, and it's flat and it's blue. Haven't seen the ocean in ages, since the Cape.
Fantastic, what a camp for the night. Set up the awning, put down the floor mat, get the chairs, crack a beer. Crack our new rum drink.
Bundaberg's creaming soda and red rum. Interesting mix. Interesting mix.
Ugh. I have a bitter Negroni IPA. I had it before. It doesn't really taste like a Negroni, but it's an alright IPA, just for beer. Sit back and watch this sunrise, sunset.
Meatballs and pasta for dinner tonight. I've just got some onion and garlic in at the moment, but that's pretty well soft. So I'll throw in the other veggies, just some carrot and some zucchini. Now that the veggies are cooked through, we'll take them off the burner for a bit while we cook the pasta, because we made the mistake of getting a single burner stove. Alright, so the pasta's been cooked, so I've just heated up the veggies again and about to throw the meatballs in. I've just turned down the heat and I'll throw in the sauce now so they can fully cook through in that. Got a meatball. That is some good pasta and meatballs. I'm pretty hungry.